I'm Thomas Bader. I'm head of marketing of Siemens AG, located in Germany, Erlangen. Siemens AG is a global technology leader in industry, infrastructure and mobility. Of course, we are looking forward for EMO 2025 and we are happy to display our solutions. Our motto for the fair is shape the future of the shop floor now, and we convey for this 3 messages. First of all, we will display a whole chain of CAD-CAM and CNC solutions, bringing special value to our customers on the OEM side as well as on the end customer side. Second, we will show great interesting solutions around AI-driven solutions like NC programming, AI-supported, or smart assistants for the shop floor. And third, we are orchestrating a global network of ecosystems for all our machine tool users, for our OEMs, as well as our end customers. So we're looking forward visiting you in Hall 6 in EMO 2025. Thank you.